So it's 6:06 and we are done. Hashtag done. All right, we are out here. A deal or not?
Yeah.
That a good bargain or not? That a good bargain or not?
Is that what?
Good bargain.
How many?
6 for $10.
Yeah.
I think it is. Don't you
Yeah.
think it is? Okay. Okay, let's head to electronics to see if I can get this GoPro camera. Okay, it's kind of calm here at North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Walmart. They're allowing you to get some things, so it's not that bad. And it's not even really time, but they are allowing us to get a few things. So I have these fleece field or fleece line leggings. I love them. Time and True is, y'all know I love the Time and True. So I got the black and purple. And I got my son these for me because they're just too comfortable and they are nice. It's Dryworks, Athletic Works, Dryworks, $5. See what's next. Might not be able to get this GoPro camera. Hopefully I can get the GoPro camera. I'm not sure because I got to stand in line for it, so I may not be able to get the camera that I want. I keep saying that. I love coming to this Walmart because they are usually, the customers here are usually pretty calm. So if you ever come to North Myrtle Beach for Thanksgiving, this is a good Walmart to come to. Okay, Kay. We're in here. It's 6 o'clock. They just started. We're going to be checked out in this one line, thankfully. We're being checked out in this one line. We're waiting on the GoPro camera. This is going to be nice being checked out in this one line. The helpers are being very kind. They got the purple vest on. I do like that. So it's 6:06 and we are done. Hashtag done. Hashtag done. I gotta look at this camera though. Okay, here's the camera. You can go ahead, but here is the camera.
Now we are going to check that.
There. I still cannot believe we are about to be out of here. 6:09.
Would you like to come with me?
We're not gonna be able to go through there, but yeah, we've already checked out in electronics. Yeah. How much did we spend, Book?
$226.
Oh, $226, and half of that was a camera, so we did good. And it's, like I said, it's 6:10 now, and we are out of this place. Wonderful. It is just so wonderful to be out of here. Okay, we are out of here. Woo! I can't wait to use my camera, y'all. This phone is getting me. Here, Asia and Germany are ready, and hubby's just getting something to drink, and that is that.